Hello! Welcome sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. Napaka-late ng ating broadcast. But anyway, here I am to do a recipe that has been requested for ilang weeks na. So, hindi ko pa nagagawa. So, I'm doing it today. It's chorizo con gambas or gambas con chorizo. So, basically, my normal gambas, I would put a little bit of liquor. So, but since we're mixing it and putting some chorizo, I'm not gonna put any liquor on it. I'll just pair it with bread. But for some, pwede yung haluan actually ng pasta if you wish. No? So, no claims again of being authentic. But gambas is actually a Spanish dish. Sometimes they call it scampi in Italy, in other countries. But basically, it's just lots of garlic sauteed with shrimps. So, let's cook. So, basically, for this recipe, I have whole cloves of garlic and I also have chopped garlic. So, what I do with this is I boil it. And then after I boil it, I saute it together with the shrimps. So, I was boiling water a while ago in a pan. So, dito ko na siya ilalagay. And basically, I'll just boil it there para hindi siya masyado mag-burn. So, we want it to be there para pag kagat, no? Medyo crunchy pa siya. And then, so we're just gonna leave it there. And let me just cut the chorizo. This chorizo is just canned. No, binili ko lang sa grocery. So, I wouldn't say it's chorizo Bilbao style, no? Iba siya, no, sa Chinese chorizo. So, you have to select yung Bilbao style or Spanish chorizo. No? Kasi may iba, may Chinese chorizo, di ba? Yung inahalo minsan sa pancit. I'm just slicing it. It's a very simple recipe. And for this one, maganda sana if you have olive oil, right? But if you can't, and you understand some of the costings, pwede namang vegetable oil and you finish it off with a little bit of butter or star margarine, the secret, di ba? So we'll do that. Hold on. So probably you'd want to boil it for about 5 minutes. So drain the water and then that's it. No? So I'm just here doing a bit of prep work before we start sauteing it. The shrimps, I just got it the frozen ones, not the frozen shrimps. Because remember what I said, so pretty much, hindi siya galing sa palengke, but it's very clean. So I'm just gonna chop some parsley. Tapos ito isa-save ko kasi kanina. Ito yung nag-shoot kami. We're shooting everything on the same day. Para ano tayo, transparent. This is like the 10th recipe we're shooting for today. So kanina we cooked something with the chicken wings, no? So this is yung natira. So sayang naman. So we'll use it. So now we're ready. So I'm just gonna put some olive oil. Nothing like a good oil. Okay, just putting it there. Okay, hintayin lang natin. Then we're gonna use this garlic. Hindi pa siya nagsisizzle. So let's wait for it to sizzle. Ooh, we finished all the garlic today. So siguro this one, probably another 2 minutes. While waiting for the garlic to sizzle a little bit, this is where I'm gonna put our pepper. Para kahit pa paano maluto ng konti ating pepper. Parang it has that roasted smell. No? It will become more potent. Okay, so we'd like to have pepper. Then I'm gonna add the chorizo. There. So about leaving it a minute. This should be done. So I'm gonna turn it off and we'll use it later. There. Fairly easy, diba? Just a lot of salt, no? Kasi kahit salty yung chorizo, we don't want the gambas naman walang lasa. Ayan. And some pepper. There we go. And at this point, this is where we just mix it all in. If I would put it here without boiling it, baka masunog ko na siya, hindi pa siya luto yung loob. Sobra pang tapon. So now, it will just be lightly golden and it's cooked inside. So, there you go. Gamitin ko ng konting pepper. para may konting spice. I'm gonna put a little bit of our favorite. Actually, for breakfast, masarap to with scrambled eggs. For some reason, it works. Then, let me measure it. There we go. So let me just increase my fire. There you go. So we're sauteing it. I didn't use any liquor. There you go. So we're gonna finish this off with butter or pwedeng margarine. Star margarine is the best. And then I'm just gonna chop parsley. Oh, gumagalaw ng gumagalaw. Remember? Yan. Hindi na gumagalaw. I'm using parsley, pero kung gusto nyo, pwede rin kayo gumamit ng ibang herb. Pwedeng tarragon, no? But definitely not wansoy or cilantro kasi this is Spanish, no? Remember sa Flavor Bible. So let me add also para paprika. So there. There you go. We just want those garlic to just a little bit golden. And then, I'm just gonna add the Carolina Reaper pepper. Only because it looks so nice. So, a little bit of spice lang. Just to add. So, I'm gonna turn this off. Finish it until mag-melt. So you can use butter, but since we're being sinful, might as well. Diba? Star margarine. So it's up to you. So here, naka-off yung fire, and I'll just continue to swirl it until mag-melt. So, for ganito, pwede mo nga itong ihalo sa pasta pala. You can actually just boil spaghetti, or fettuccine, or linguine, and then you just put it there with some Parmesan cheese. Ganda ng ating pepper. Eat, drink, and be merry. There you go. Just para we can plate it nicely. There. And here we go is the Gambas con Chorizo. And then you can serve it with bread. Or kung tinatamad kayo, rice na lang. Or serve it also with just pasta. Make sure to put butter on the side. Happy eating!
Sige. Bigyan natin ng garlic. Sarap. Red pa lang. Sarap! Sarap yung garlic niya.
Binoil ko muna.
Kasi hindi siya lasang garlic.
Nutty, di ba? Kasi nga you boil it first.
Iba yung niya. Kasi hindi ako fan ng bawang. Kumakain ako. Pero yung ganito, kasi sasama ko, ngayon lang.
It's always at first.
Yes. At marap.
Ito ang tamang pagkain sa Gambas.
Yan.
Very good, sir. Sarap.
Much willing ko ulit na maging guest dito.